How to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you 3 different methods with the help of which you would be able to easily fix the Roblox error code 268 on your mobile device. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. So in the first step, you just have to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar you simply need to search for Roblox. Now once you search for Roblox, you just have to check whether it is having any update or not. If you see any update button over here, then you just have to tap on the update button. After that, you just have to try to launch your Roblox mobile application and check whether the error is fixed or not. If the error still persists, then the second thing that you need to do is you need to simply launch your settings. In the settings, you just have to scroll down and then tap on apps. Then you need to tap on manage apps. After that, in the search bar, you simply need to search for Roblox. Now once you have found Roblox, you just have to tap on it, and then you will be landed on the app info of Roblox. Now over here you are going to see the clear data option at the bottom. So you need to tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now after clearing the cache, you just have to again launch your Roblox mobile application and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then you just have to click on clear all data again, and this time you need to clear your data. So you just have to tap on the OK button, and this will clear your data of Roblox and it will log yourself out from Roblox. So you just have to launch your Roblox mobile application again, and you need to provide your email address and your password, and with the help of these 3 methods you will be able to fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.